Welcome to STA Academy. Today, let us put some light on business organization and management subject of BCom first year that we call it as BOM. In this video, we are going to discuss about important questions of BOM, LAQs and SAQs. If you read or practice these questions, will definitely give you maximum marks in your examination. In this video, we will also give you a brief explanation of 5 units. We know that in BOM there are 5 units. Forms of business organizations. We know there are different forms of organizations. And the second unit is joint stock company. And the third unit is the functions of management. And the fourth is, we know that what is the function of management is planning, organizing, authority, coordination, and control. This is a very easy paper. If you know the functions of management, if you know the forms of business organization, definitely you can easily write answers with your own in this subject. In our next video, we will also upload the important questions of fundamental of information technology and financial accounting first and second, income tax, business statistics. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us see the unit 1 of BOM, business organization and management. The unit 1 is introduction and forms of business organization. Let us see first SAQs, short answers question. The first one is trade, industry and commerce. Second is classification of trade and aid to trade. Third is concept of business. Fourth is cooperative society. Fifth is forms of business organization. Sixth is unlimited liability. Very important questions. Let us put some light on BOM. LAQ questions of unit first. We know that LAQ, each question carries 12 marks. The first question is explain the relationship between trade, industry and commerce. Second is explain briefly the difference between business, trade, industry and commerce. Third is explain the function of business. Fourth is discuss the social responsibility of a business. Fifth is what are the factors that determine the choice of business organization. Sixth is define sole trading concern, explain the merits and demerits. Seventh is what is partnership business, discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Let us see the important question of unit 2, that is joint stock company. This is a very important chapter. In this chapter we are going to see the SAQs, that is short answers questions. We know that SAQ carries 4 marks. The first one is statutory companies. What do you mean by private limited company? The third is what is holding company and subsidiary company. Fourth is prospectus. Fifth is memorandum of association. Sixth is kinds of promoter. Let us see the unit 2 joint stock company LAQ questions. We know that each LAQ will give you 12 marks. Let us see the first LAQ. Define joint stock company, explain characteristics of joint stock company. The second one is define joint stock company, discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Third is what is company promotion, explain the stages of promotion. Fourth is who is promoter, briefly discuss kind of promotion. Fifth and the last LAQ is what is memorandum of association, explain its content. The next unit is unit 3rd, that is introduction to functions of management. This is a very important unit. In this we will see the SAQs question, that is 4 marks question. The first is define administration. The second is management versus administration. The third is skills of management. Fourth is time study and motion study. These are very important short answers questions of unit 3rd. Let us discuss about unit 3rd, introduction to functions of management, long questions. LAQ, we know that each LAQ carries 12 marks. The first one is define the term management, explain its basic features. Second is discuss various functions of management. Third is what do you understand by the term level of management? Describe the functions of different levels of management. Fourth is discuss 14 principles of management conceived by Henry Fayol. These are very important LAQs. This definitely give you 12 marks in your exam. Let us see the Unit 4 important questions. The Unit 4 is planning and organizing. Let us see first the SAQ question. We know that SAQ question, each question carries 4 marks. The first question is define planning. Second is write a note on management by objective. The third is explain informal group. The fourth question is what is matrix organization? Let us see the LAQs, that is long answer question for Unit 4 planning and organizing. We know that long answers it carries 12 marks. Let us see the first question. Define planning, explain its characteristics. Second is what is management by objective, that is MBO. What are its features? Discuss the prerequisites for installing MBO program. Third is distinguish between formal and informal organization. Fourth is discuss the various forms of organization structures in detail. Fifth and the last LAQ, distinguish between line organization and staff organization. The last unit of BOM, that is Unit 5, authority, coordination and control. In this unit, let us see first SAQ short answers questions, 4 marks. The first one is define delegation of authority and accountability. Second is what are the steps element in delegation. Third is importance of delegation. Fourth is define control, controlling and post control. Fifth is authority versus responsibility. Let us see the LAQs of Unit 5, authority, coordination and control. We know that each LAQs carries 12 marks, as you know that. Let us see the first question. What is meant by authority? Explain its features and type. Second question, define delegation of authority. Discuss the principle of governing delegation of authority. Third is very important questions. What is centralization? Explain the advantages and limitation of centralization. Fourth is decentralization of authority. How does it differ from delegation of authority? Last question. Mention the difficulties of delegation and suggest how to overcome such difficulties. In this video, I have given all SAQs, LAQs for BOM paper. Practice these all questions to get maximum marks in BOM. Thanks. Thanks for watching, and to never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.